Welcome to this mini tutorial where I'm going to show you how to optimize your videos so that they get more views on YouTube if you have a small channel. So if we look at my average performance, normally my videos get between 10 and 30 views. Now I have a video, which is this one, my top video, which got 1,000 views, okay? This is huge, right? Compared to my average results. Now, how did this happen? So if you look at what I'm used to post from the beginning as a small channel, and I guess you guys make the same mistakes as I did, you use these types of thumbnail, and here, for example, this one is a good example. You put the topic of the video and you put a thumbnail like that, and the video gets 23 views. Now, what has changed with this video here? So first of all, I will try to position my video against or with the right other videos that talk about this topic. So let's try to see if there are actually people trying to look for Notebook LM. So I'm just putting Notebook LM to see the type of videos that comes up when we type just this keyword, because this is actually the topic. So here, what we are looking for is the amount of views these videos generate, the amount of results, and how the creators have combined title and thumbnail together. So we are kind of looking at all the elements together and try to see the potential of the video as well. So here you have this guy, LearnWire, who has created this, the most insane content creation methods ever, okay, with a great thumbnail like that, with the logo of Google, the logo of YouTube. Here I see also the logo of Google. Everybody knows Google. Then this one has 50k views, 6 tutorial use case, okay, how to use Notebook LM for beginners. This one shows us the actual tool. It has 65k views, a little bit better. How to use Notebook LM, Google AI, new tool. So that one is a good one. It has almost 1 million views. The thumbnail is very clear, very light, and it gives, I think it's very enticing. It's well done. This one as well, face with an expression. This one don't have anything related to Notebook LM except just the Notebook LM thing. But actually I've watched his video and it's actually very good. And he makes 140k views. Okay, 1 month ago, very good. Now my video is more like a tutorial video, and I'm actually doing a demo of Notebook LM where I'm trying Notebook LM. So I decided to keep it like this, but at least when we type Notebook LM, we have results. So there's potential for this video to be listed here. So that's where I want to be listed, okay? So I'm not going to choose any other title than how to use Notebook LM. I can now go down to and choose this title, this thumbnail, why Notebook LM changes everything. It explains the outcomes, results that people want out of this. And then it actually, in the title, it says what the video is going to deliver. And then people are more enticed to click on this video. Now, the last thing I've done is to put a description with timestamps, first of all, so like people can jump if they don't want to look, because it's a long video. And I've put a lot of different keywords turned into phrase where I explain what are the best use of this tool and how to use it and what is going to be delivered in this video. That's very important because people don't have time to watch the entire video to think, okay, this is not for me. They will just skip. If you look at the analytics, you see the retention here is going down a lot, and of course I'm going to improve this over time. But here it's way better than my other videos. Yeah, let's take this one for example, and let's look at the analytics. And we will see the watch time going down, so the retention going down like this. And in the end, it's even worse than the other video. So why does this happen? Is simply because the video is not really well structured, and I haven't created a good structure for a video where I explain from the beginning in a hook exactly what I'm gonna deliver, and then I deliver it along the way, and I make sure that I deliver it piece by piece so that people stay watching until the end. Now, I'm starting to apply these 3 elements in order to create better videos. So if I apply it to another video that doesn't generate any views, this is what the result look like. So here I take my videos that has the worst views, this one, and I've changed the thumbnail. I went from this skincare for men, there is me with a shirt and a mic, and there is this orange screen and a lot of text and all of that, to this, okay, here. And I have, so we can see me in my bathroom. It's not exactly my bathroom, actually. We see that there is a little thing with the natural aspect of the video. And I chose this title simply because, and this is the same process, if you type this title, skincare routine for men, then you find actually what people doing their skincare, and this is where I want to be showing up. So let's go in a private tab. This is probably not the right way to search, but here I'm listed number 3. So I'm under these 2 guys, which is very nice. And well, now the thing is, this video was recorded already, so I haven't had a chance to re-record it, but I might do it in the future, and I might storytell it a little more to increase the watch time and the audience retention. But at least that's how I optimize my past video. Now I have 3 more tips if you want to generate more views, and I think you will like it because when you start YouTube, you don't know about these. So the first thing you can do is to put the video inside a playlist. How to do this? It's very simple. You go to your channel content. Let me just try it with this one. For example, here you scroll down and you can choose playlists. Now the playlists, the good thing of playlist is first, it's listed in your channel here. So you can create different types of playlists, and then you can see how many views the playlist has, and you see there are people who are coming from your video who will go into the playlist, and they can keep watching other videos on that topic if they like it. So I think it's very powerful to use this. The second thing you can do, I've seen it in many friends YouTubers. So here, for example, he put other links here. If you put a link of another video, it's a call to action for people to watch your other related videos. And the last thing you can do is remixing. Remixing only happens to be possible on your own videos. So I was actually checking how to do it because I haven't started to use it now yet. When you do this, it will actually link back to your original video. If they are interested in that part, they will watch the entire video. So this I will try out as well, and I think it's going to be helpful. If you do it from your phone, because here it looks like it's going to be a horizontal format, but if you do it from your phone, you can use something called Remix. You can actually create shorts, and shorts create way more traction than the normal videos, and eventually it's a chance for you to have more views. I'm applying it for my own channel. It's showing results so far. I can share with you more analytics. So here you can see the 7 top videos in terms of views and on my YouTube channel currently, and they are applying exactly those tips that I've shared in this video. And you can see that even if they are the most recent ones, they are the ones who generate more views, and the average duration is actually longer. So if you keep applying these and improving this, then you will definitely get more views. And now my next steps, and you should be your steps right after this video, is to try to use Remix to try to increase the retention, because the longer people watch it, the more YouTube will understand that your content is good and then it's interesting, and that means it will keep recommending it. Because what you may face also is the same thing that I'm facing with some of my videos. So let me just go into just one, like this one, for example, is you get views at the beginning because YouTube is giving you this little boost to try to see if it works, if your video works. But then because it's very not interesting, then it stops recommending you, and then for days or even for the rest of the video's life, you will have no more views at all. So if you improve the storytelling inside your videos, it will definitely keep growing and growing and improving over time. All right. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.